तर इफ्फीक म्हाका एक असो मनीस दिश्टी पडलो. नहीं, हाँ हाँ, हिंदी में बात करेंगे हम लोग.
English.
English, हाँ, okay. I'll ask you in English. First, I'll tell in my mother tongue, Konkani,
Okay.
how I
Kannada
saw.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
हाँ हाँ.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
No, no.
ಕನ್ನಡ.
कन्नड इल्ला.
Okay.
सो कितें जालें की इफ्फीन वेगवेगळे तरेचे जशें की सांगलें लोक उपस्थिती लायता भितून फिल्म मोगी आसता, वेगवेगळे आर्टिस्ट आसता आनी आर्टिस्ट जे आसता ते वेगवेगळे तेंचे कडेन एक दिवानापन जसो आसता तातूंतल्यानूच जशें हांवें तांकां पळयलें एक कॅरेक्टर कशें म्हाका तेंचे कडेन दिसलें म्हणून हांवें तेंचे कडेन जाणून घेवपा खातीर येयलें की कशा तरे कित्या खातीर तुमी हांगासर इफ्फी खातीर आयिल्ले आसा आनी कशा तरेन तुमी फिल्मा कडेन पळयता तेन्ना कळ्ळें की ते एक फिल्मांनी काम करपी त्या एक आर्टिस्ट आसा आणि ते तामिळनाडूच्यान येयल्ले आसा. सर, वेन आय सॉ वन कॅरेक्टर इन यू, दॅट्स वाय आय फेल्ट टू आस्क यू अबाउट द फिल्म्स. So you worked in films. You
have acted in about 175 movies in 8 languages, including one Hollywood film and one German film.
You know,
I've acted in 8 mega serials. I've acted in 125 short films. 75 short films I played lead role. I won Best Actor Award 8 times.
And that too in how many languages?
8 languages.
8 languages. So you know to speak that fluency.
I was a German professor. I was a French professor. And I speak very good English. I worked with Americans. I am from Bangalore. I speak Kannada. I have MA in Kannada. My mother tongue is Telugu. And I studied 2 years Hindi, so I speak Hindi. I have seen some 2,000-3,000 Hindi movies, so naturally I speak Hindi. I write.
So basically, you from Karnataka, or
Bangalore. But my mother tongue is Telugu.
Telugu, acha. So South is very like upcoming with great films now. So how your perspective about South Indian movies?
No. You can't say like that. You know, South only 2% good films are there. Otherwise, all films are 150% very bad. But the small budget films are very good. The small budget films are very good, and the big budget films like 800 crores, 1,000 crores, all are fake films. They are doing films like to sell popcorn. You know, every actor is like a popcorn, all superstar. Very worst films are done. They are making film to solve their problems, solve their credits, not to entertain people. They make money, take money from the audience, and they want to solve their credits of 180 crores, 280 crores, like that. For example, Kamal Haasan has 168 crores credit. So he's asking Rajinikanth, make a film for me. And why do you want to have 168 crore credits?
Have you worked with Rajinikanth?
I know Rajinikanth from the time his salary was 300 rupees. I know him personally, but I've acted with Kamal Haasan.
He was a conductor once upon a time, first, no?
Actually, that I don't know. But in 1978, I'm in Bangalore. I met him about 10 to 15 times, 1 hour, 2 hours, like that, at his house. He was staying in a shed upstairs his house.
So which one of your movies are there for IFFI?
No, nothing is there. Since 4 years I am not acting. Because I'm fed up going to cinema companies and all. I am also getting old.
But apart from film, what do you do?
Now I am a very, very famous film reviewer in Tamil.
Reviewer?
Very famous. I have about 50 million fans throughout the world.
What's your good name, sir?
I'm Satyendra.
Satyendra?
I was teaching in many colleges, World Cinema Film Appreciation and all, but I was a freelancer. I don't work anywhere permanent. I'm very good in languages, foreign languages, Indian languages.
So what you will suggest, sir, if we want to grow we want to make our Konkani film in Goa, very big platform, then what you will suggest to our Konkani or Goa? Because Goa is very small state and our population is very low. That's why we are not getting that big platform.
No, actually this morning I was saying and I was telling everywhere, the world cinema is getting cancer. Means 90% of the people, including Hollywood, including India, they are all making shit films. the whole world. Because the subjects are exhausted. Subjects are exhausted. And
Nowadays there have been getting comparisons like South and Bollywood. So is it like that?
when compared to South and Bollywood, South is better.
That's why I first asked you that.
But yeah, for in 100 films, 2 films will be good. That's all. For example, you take Gandhara.
Finally, I am happy with your answer because I love South Indian films.
No,
Then
only,
Bollywood.
only 100 films released in Tamil, 5 will be good.
Yeah.
Kannada, 100 films released, 5 will be good. That's all.
Because
Maybe,
the South
all
people
others-
they put more of culture in that films and they make film like it looks like they have solely made that film.
No, not like that. See, nowadays, what happening? All the people who are making films are youngsters, about 25, 30, that age. That's a very, very young age. They don't have experience, personal experience, whatever, love, suicide, everything adds to your life and makes you mature. And these people have not read any books. Or if they have read, they read some cigarette English books and all, and they come to make a film. Studying in a film institute will not give you a creative work.
Yes.
So, they all know the technique, but there is no art in cinema. But Gandhara was this year's best film in India. Gandhara. Yeah.
And you saw in that Kannada language.
I saw it in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, all. And I have given reviews. It went some 1 lakh.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you. What is your
Very
channel?
this is our Goan local channel Gomantak and
uh-huh.
very first newspaper of Goa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it is a brand of Goa, Gomantak TV. And yeah, thank you. And
Okay, your name?
my name is Gauri Shamondkar.
Okay.
Yes.
You can interview me every day.
Yeah, thank you, sir.